Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is a pre-primed 12-inch by 24-inch canvas. It's dry, and I want to do something remarkable and simple and draw with my Jasmine Prizm Pour, Primary Element. And then make mark making by swiping. And I'm going to dip my card, I believe, in some, I'm not sure if I want it to be white cell activator or black cell activator. That was Jasmine, and this is Saffron. Saffron is a Prizm Pour. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm going to do it anyway. Now, I think I'm going to use some gold. Mayan gold to be exact. Get my bottles out of here. Thinking about Chantilly lace. If I use the black cell activator and dip it in this dish, well, I could use black and white. Why don't we try black and white? White first. Black second. Chantilly lace. Might be crazy. Yep, might be crazy. I'm going to put the white cell activator in my dish and do what I was originally going to do. Just do mark making. I'm also going to knock off whatever paint I've got, use it up. Might be a little risky. Excuse my head. This is kind of stunning. Put a little more white in my dish. Tempted by the black. Oh, that was Chantilly lace, not white cell activator. Oh well. That's white cell activator. I could use some of the pearlescent mauve boom gel, as in it's open. I've also got the violet, which would be nice too. This might be really fast. I want a little more cell activator. Use my residuals. I'm almost done. So I should tell you guys, I love you. You inspire the heck out of me to try new things and get down and get funky. That was just cell activator, but I wanted that mark. I like the black and white with the pink and the orange. And I like using up the paint on my card. It's all about the colors. So there's a 20% off Colourarte coupon code below the video, along with a Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. That'll get you Australian Floetrol and Boom Gel and Pebeo paints. And I used up just about all my cell activator. I don't know what we're going to have for shimmer in here, but I do know that I'm going to call this one good. I'm happy with my results. I like the resist. I like the marks from the, it's not dry brushing, it's dry scraping. And I've got a few cells here and there, not a lot, but a few. And it's all good. And it was really fast. And really fun. So I recommend it. That's great art therapy right there. I love you guys. Check out my link tree for my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. Thank you for the kind words in the comments. Look for tomorrow's video on my community board by going to my channel. It's usually at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have 29 playlists of videos, and they're also organized by topic and genre, so if you ever need something, please feel free to ask me. Yeah, I just had to do that. And that too. I'm happy to help you. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you like my videos and comment on them, you help me out. Shopping my link tree will get you Society 6, Le Gallerist. What else? Spring is under the video, and all those places, Pixels.com, Fine in America, you can have my artwork reproduced on whatever they sell there if you just ask me, if you can't find what you're looking for. My Amazon link is on the link tree. My 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys. Like I said, you inspire the heck out of me. My paint pouring recipes will be below Show More, and whatever I'm forgetting, you'll see in another. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and of course I would love to sell my artwork. So, look for my paint pouring recipe. Did I say? Yes, under Show More. Excuse me. Alright, I told you guys I love you, but I'll tell you again, I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.